I'm married.
I'm married.
I'm married.
I'm married.
How do you know that?
I'm married.
I'm married and Big wants 2 days off.
No, I'm married.
I didn't tell you that?
No, I'm married.
Oh, me too.
I'm married, and I'm her grandmother.
You want to be more than friends, and I'm married.
I'm married. I'll do this.
Helen, I want you to be my wife.
But I'm married.
I'm married, Haley, and we're monotonous. You gotta move on.
I wish I was still in my coma.
I never see you with women.
I'm married.
You got a girlfriend?
I'm married. I have a wife. Her name's Teresa. She cuts hair.
Business first. Besides, I'm married. Remember?
I'm married. I was married before you and I ever met. I'm still married today.
Do you see something you like?
I'm married.
That's allowed. I can't go on a trip with you, George.
Why not?
I'm married. People would talk.
Good news. Your wife has come to take you home.
Huh. Finally. It's about time. What? Wait. I'm married?